Hey, economy don't hard though. So you no fit lick pepper soup. After all this beer wey we don drink, my head dey shake o. I dey hungry.
You know the reason o. If you lick the pepper soup now, how you wan take pay? Only say economy hard, you wan lick pepper soup. And your teeth you wan take pay.
Yeah, I believe. Oh,
Come
on! Pepper soup don land. I wan take pay na Jamaica.
Abomola give me the biggest one.
Jamaica, wetin dey happen here na?
Oh, but na him get the format so you better shop.
Ma shop. I no get money.
Jamaica man.
Give me spoon abeg.
Man, one Panamera.
Jamaica.
Yeah, boy.
Jamaica. How you wan pay?
You won't pay. You won't pay. You no go dey patient with the shop first.
I no wan wash plate o. Jamaica, where you say you from sef dey come?
The airline for here you go dey give me wetin be this Jesus
we no go pay manager I pay for the share
Go call your manager. Call the manager. We no go pay for this thing. We no go pay for this thing. Give me fly.
You think say they wise?
Man, you go pay for the bill. You go pay for the bill. You no go chop finish, carry fly put inside. Make I show you the video. When you put fly inside with your market.
He shock you.
Oh, no be come.
He shock you.
Sorry, yo.
Come, bad boy, collect money for the bill. What are you running?